What's up, YouTube fam? Hey, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, but we're still surviving. So today I'll be making pom-poms. So this is everything we need. We have the ruler, scissors, the string, and the pink tissue paper. So let's get straight to it. Same way that I'm folding. You'd want to make sure that it's not too small and it's not too big. I can't remember the measurements nilitumia, but inakaa kitu 2 centimeters. Yeah. So next step is to divide the tissue paper into 10 sheets of layers, 10 sheets rather. This is to enable the shaping of the ends to be a little easy, because when it's lighter, it's better. So there we go. For the first shape, we will just cut a semicircle. So kuna styles more. As we can see, ilikata. So we'll just take layer by layer. So the first layer nitakata semicircle, 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 and I'll do the same on the other side pia. Once I'm done, I'll just switch it to the other side. And this is the point, this is the part that gives your pom-pom a shape, so it will be better. You'd really want to make sure that the semicircle is actually a semicircle, not like mine. Yangu kidogo ilikuwa na tashwishi, but I was able to work with it. So if you can, just make sure that your semicircle is a real semicircle. So I will do the same for the next bunch. I'll just fold it back to the way it was before I separated. Then I will cut it offline, then I'll come back with the whole thing together. At this point, I already put the 2 sheets together. So all I'm doing right now is trying to get that circle shape, so that I'm able to remove the layers one by one. And this is the point that requires a lot of patience, because you'll be needed to separate them one by one, minding that this other side we have 20 sheets and the other side we have another 20 sheets. So a lot of patience is required. So this will take a lot of time. So I will come back with the whole pom-pom already ready to view, or like few pom-poms remaining, few sheets remaining in order to become the shape that I want. So yeah. So for my second pom-pom design is this bright orange tissue paper that I'm going to open up and take you through the process. This is quite easy because we don't need to create the shapes at the edges, because we only need a line. Okay, it's time consuming, but not as the previous one. So right here I'm just opening the paper, folding it into two. This is the process I skipped on the previous one, so you can just follow. You need to divide the paper into two halves. So the easiest way is to fold, then find the middle part. So at that point I already found my part, so I'm just going to cut it through in order to form two, so that my first bunch has 10 layers and the other one has 10. So in total we'll work with 20 layers. So that's the first step. Yeah. This is the final look. So bye guys.